Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kylie. You're probably new here because I'm still new here. I'm 27, I'm a speech language pathologist. I take travel contracts for work. I've been off for 2 months between contracts, but my next one starts on Monday. Today's Thursday, so that means this is going to be a whole packing and moving vlog. I live in Michigan. I just returned to my mom's house between contracts, so between contracts I usually move everything back in for like a month, however long I take off. So we're in Michigan. Contracts in Maryland, but it's only an 8-hour drive, which is not bad. So we're gonna make sure everything's packed up today, so tomorrow we can just get in the car and go and not worry about anything. So that means that today is packing and like finishing everything on the to-do list. I have a bunch of errands I have to run, so we're dressed for the gym so that we can go to the gym and then just run our errands right after, and then we can spend the rest of the day in the house packing. Step 1 on today's list is washing our sheets and duvet so that we come back and they're nice and fresh. Hi, I have a mobile order for Kylie.
Is it the brown sugar whole milk shaken espresso?
Yep.
We've got that going. We'll see you in the window.
Thank you. Okay, I'm at a red light, so nobody yell at me. I got a brown sugar shaken espresso. I added a pump of vanilla and the brown sugar cold foam. It's very good. I'm not like a coffee connoisseur. That is a goal for this year, but as of now, I am not. Okay, now I'm driving. Now you can yell at me. But anyway, got my coffee, went to the gym, just dropped off the Goodwill donations. Now I think I'm gonna head to UPS first. I have to ship something out to my mom. And I just realized I forgot a box, darn it. Maybe I'll just do it at USPS because I think I can steal one of their like free package things. And then we're gonna get a car wash and we're gonna vacuum and clean our car real good. I brought my floor mats into the house last night because they're the WeatherTech ones, so they get really salty. And I cleaned them in the shower. That was a questionable choice, but I cleaned the shower right after I did that. So my floor mats are clean. The only one I actually have in right now is my driver's one, so that I can make sure to vacuum out all the other spaces. And then we'll head back and shower, and it's packing time. My car is so clean, it feels so good. I even cleaned like the ledges where you get in because they were salty. They're gonna get dirty again, but for now it feels really good. Now I am getting gas and heading home finally. I just love a fresh, clean car. Car is always clean, but I love when it's clean. This has been my dream car since 2018 and now I have it. So I'm gonna keep it heckin' clean I kept my first car clean too, and that wasn't my dream car, but anyway, yeah. I think my gas is done. I'm home and showered, feels so good. We're gonna do a little bit of skincare and start packing. I get like packing paralysis, like I never know where to start, and then I overthink it way too much in the beginning, and then I end up just throwing like literally everything in. So that's my goal, to not do that this time. My first contract was in Texas. I definitely overpacked, but like we did okay. Second contract was Ohio, completely overpacked, like could not see out of my car on the way home. But that was also because I didn't bring as much there, but then I would come visit home on the weekends because it was only like a 4-hour drive, and then I would grab more, and then really overpacked. So goal is to not do that, but it is going to be hard because it's end of February, so it's still cold out. There's still a chance it's going to snow, so I have to bring like some winter stuff, but I'm there until the end of May, so it's going to be pretty warm at that point. So that diversity is going to be a little challenging. I also have a bachelorette party in Florida in March, so I have to bring some warm stuff for that, warm weather stuff. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to get it done. It's all going to be fine. I just put everything in my car. I have a Volkswagen Atlas, so it's huge. It has 3 rows and all the seats in the back go down, so they're all down. And that's like more than enough room. Like I don't need more room than that. Every place that I rent has all the necessities that I need, like cookware, linens, that sort of stuff. So it's all my personal items that I bring. But objectively, I still bring too many of those. Like I bring my fan, my yoga mat. I have like little jars I like to put my Nespresso pods in. I have a cutting board I like to use. Like I'm kind of silly. I don't know. I don't need to bring that stuff for sure, but it's nice to have. It's nice to make places feel like home when you have your stuff. So if I can fit it, it's worth it. I think I already know what I want to wear tomorrow, so I'm going to set that aside and pack like a little car bag that I will have access to in the car. And then everything else is getting shoved in bags. Oh, another thing. My apartment that I have, I asked if there was any dressers, and all she said was there are several small closets. So I'm going to take that as a no, we don't have dressers, so I think I have to bring some plastic bins, which those are definitely going to take up a little bit more room. But I think I have to. I'd rather have them than not have them. And I don't use them. Like I have one I do use, but then I have an empty one. So I guess if I don't use the empty one when I actually get there, I can just toss it out or like donate it. I didn't need it here. I don't need it there. We'll see. I don't know. I gotta stop overthinking and I gotta just get packing. All right, I just made a smoothie. She's beautiful. It's blueberries, this cultured or uncultured, whatever the not normal way is, milk that was strawberry banana flavored, vanilla protein powder, vanilla yogurt, honey, smoothie. That looks very good. Also, you guys, this set from Aritzia, this is actually the cutest little set. This is my first time owning these shorts and I'm obsessed. This is the regular style. There was a mini, but I'm 5'7", and these are plenty short enough. My hair looks gross. The mock neck hoodie, no notes. Love how big and wide this is. I love how tall it is. Also, it has pockets. Are you kidding? I used to be a park girl. I still am a park girl. But these are nicer. I'm not gonna lie. These are like just as thick. And I like the neck and the pockets better. So, try Aritzia if you like park. Alright, we are moving on to shoes. I have more shoes than I would ever need. But honestly, I don't think I have the most amount of shoes in the world. Like, I have those, 2 pairs of tennis shoes, and hunter boots. And then I have these. Like, in the scheme of things, that's not so bad. But I still don't need to bring every pair of shoe that I own. So, I have like these Uggs, which really need cleaned, but these give me more winter vibes, so these are gonna stay. We're gonna bring these. Arguably, these are just as wintry, but I want to bring a pair of Uggs, and these are the only 2 tall Uggs that I have, so let's bring one of these and these. Just bought. Love. Fabulous. No notes. Bringing these. I think I'm gonna wear these there. These are all brand Uggs because I like to put my feet up when I drive, and these will be easy to slip on and off. Bringing a 3rd pair of tennis shoes. Actually, these ones I washed and dried them, and then they kind of fit weird after that. Like I think I shrunk one of the holes here. Right here you can see after I dried it, it like shrunk the holes up, and now it makes me walk weird. So I think I'm gonna leave these. I should probably just get rid of them. These are classic spring shoes. We're gonna bring these. These are my go-to tennis shoes that are cute-ish, but they're kind of dirty and worn out now. But I'm gonna bring these. I think these are gonna stay. I love these. I really do. And they have their moment, but I think almost every moment can be switched out for those other white tennis shoes. So for now, these are gonna stay, but they might end up in the bag. Ballet flats, bringing. And classic Boston Birk, we're bringing. I also have these. These are very spring, so I feel like I should bring these because I really only wear them in the spring and summer. But I don't wear them enough. Like, I never actually reach for them. These are gonna wait for now. Perfect. They all fit on my slippers. And then I just have these rain boots. All right, I'm gonna go put this in the living room. All right, you guys, I'm officially packed. Definitely still overpacked. Like, all the clothes I brought, there's no way I wear all of them. But I'm a girl who wants options, or I'm gonna shop. I'm probably gonna shop anyway, but I'm really gonna shop if I don't have options. So, definitely overpacked clothes. Now that I'm thinking about it, this bin is overpacked. Like, I have way too many food containers and water bottles and stuff, but the bin is the bin, you know, like even if I emptied some stuff out of there, it's still gonna be a big bin, so might as well fill the bin. And other than that, I'm proud of everything. It looks very full, but I promise you, this, I might be tied with Texas right now. I didn't overpack that much in Texas because I just knew I wouldn't need any cold weather stuff, where here I had to bring some cold weather stuff. But Ohio, I like brought every single winter item I owned. So Ohio, I for sure overpacked. So I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna show you my car. So front seat has a bag. That's it. Here is the back. All my clothes, they just look like they take up so much room because they're stacked so high. But could be better, could be worse. I'm just glad it's done. It is, I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 5 o'clock. It's almost getting dark. I'm gonna clean up the house and get ready to leave in the morning. I'll probably say hi. No, actually, I'm probably gonna edit this tonight. So I'm gonna stop the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay tuned for my moving in vlog, which will be posted over the weekend probably. I'm gonna leave at like 7 a.m. tomorrow. It's an 8-ish hour drive, but I want to get there when it's light out. So Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. Bye.